Good day, children. Today we will be learning few asanas of yoga which will help us in enhancing our flexibility and to also give strength to our muscles and to develop our growth. So before we start, I will request you to make sure whenever you do all these asanas, you make sure you are always away from the sharp edges and corners. And whenever you do these asanas, you should always be empty stomach. So to be empty stomach and do these asanas, it is always best to do all these asanas either early in the morning or late in the evening, like around 6 to 7 p.m. in the evening. So let's start. So before we begin, we always should remember to do some stretching exercises. So crisscross your hands and stretch and come on your toes and hold for 10 seconds and walk 5 steps in front and 5 steps back. Now go down, simply touch the floor. Now walk 5 steps in front without bending your knees and 5 steps back without bending your knees. These stretching exercise up and down you will do twice holding for 10 seconds. Now simply open your legs according to your shoulder level. Open your hands, left hand on your waist, right hand up and sideward stretch and hold for 10 seconds again. Front, open your hands, left hand up, right hand on the waist and stretch. Hands and down. So again, two times of all the exercise which we will be doing. Now, simply bring your left leg forward, right leg back and bend, lunge or bend in front of the front leg. So, stretch and look up. Similarly, bring your right leg and bend. Make sure you don't touch your knees on the ground and you don't lift your leg up and look up. You can do this at least for 5 times each. Now, simply go back on the last edge of the mat and come on your knees. This is called Vrajasana. And simply put your both hands on your lap or near your knees. Now, simply what we will do is start breathing. This helps you to digest your, to enhance the strength of your digestive system. And also whenever we have lunch or dinner, we can always sit in this asana for at least 5 to 10 minutes, which will help you to digest your food quickly. So simply now breathe from your nose and exhale from your mouth. This was first. After this, you can breathe, hold for 5 seconds and exhale from your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Again, these exercise of breathing exercise and enhancing your digestive system exercises you can do 5 to 10 times each to develop and enhance the strength and the growth of your digestive system and your cardiovascular system. Now, simply you will I'll just make the mats move for you guys. You'll be able to see what I'm exactly doing. So again, simply come on your knees, both hands in front of your shoulder. Okay, now simply you have to put your back inside, stretch your stomach towards the floor, and push your back towards the floor. So it will be like this. So you have to become a cat and look up. Don't bring your legs or hands up. Now you have to pull your neck and your head inward and your back inside. So you become a camel. This helps you to develop your strength of your back and get the flexibility of your back more. Now, this is called Anulom Vilom. You just have to do is point first finger to your thumb and lightly hold the pen. Simply flip it, keep it on your knees, and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Make sure when you inhale, it should go to your stomach, to your center of gravity, and then exhale from your nose only. And you will do it a little faster than we normally do. So it helps you to develop and enhance your cardiovascular system and your lung capacity. This helps you to enhance your lungs capacity and cardiovascular system. Now, in this all again, you will do, you have to simply push your thumb to your left nostril and inhale from your nose. Now block the left nostril from the nostril you have taken the breath and the oxygen. Simply hold and exhale from the left nostril. Now inhale from the left nostril, hold, block the left nostril, release the right nostril. Same process you will do at least 10 to 15 times. Now, the third exercise to develop your lungs capacity and enhance your cardiovascular system is simply you will breathe, inhale for at least 10 seconds to 15 seconds you have to hold. Keep holding the oxygen inside, and then with the chanting of word Om, you will release it. So it will be like this. Now, before you open your eyes, simply rub your palms until it becomes a little warm. Put it on your eyes, let the warm goes to your eyes, and simply open your eyes. Now after this, you will simply come on Tadasana, which is simply you have to keep your hands up, go a little back, and go down. Now when you come up, you have to make a Trikonasana. So when you go up, simply balance yourself, put your left leg and hold. This helps you to develop balance and concentration. Now again, up, down, with your right leg, go up and go down. So these exercises will help you to enhance your flexibility, your concentration, your lungs capacity, and your cardiovascular system. Thank you and have a good day.